In this video, you will learn how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria that receives money and can send money. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to your App Store and tap on it. Tap on the search and type the text PayPal. Okay, tap on it for it to search. Now look at PayPal here. So tap on Get. Alright, here it wants me to activate. I will double tap on my button for it to continue its installation. Okay, here the app is done installing. So the next step is to tap on open. Let's allow and tap on allow. So it says shop the world with confidence. Tap on sign up because here I don't have a PayPal account, okay? Then the next step is United States is selected, but I'm not in United States, so I will tap on change and select Nigeria. So I'll select it. Then tap here where you have the text, enter your email and tap the email address you want to use for this. And after that, tap on next. When you get to this phone number section, if US country code is selected by default, please close the app, open it again, okay, and start the process afresh. If it keeps happening, close the app, open it again. With time, it will detect that you have already selected Nigeria. All right, so let's now type my phone number. So since +234 is added already, the first zero before the next number, all right, should be removed. Just like as I have +234, then instead of having 070, I remove the first zero. Okay, so once you finish typing in your phone number, the next step is to tap on next. Then here it wants you to create a password, so type in your password and hit next. So after that, the next step is next. Then it says, would you like to save this password in your cloud kitchen? I will say, okay, save password. Then here, personal information, Nigeria, first name, last name, and date of birth. So fill all these informations and hit the next button. So on this page, type in your address, okay? It says use your residence address. It can't be a PO box, sorry. So we tap on the address section. So after that, tap on add manually. Then I will tap the city area and add it. Then the postal code may be the challenge some persons are having. So use your Google and then inside the postal code of your area, of your town. For example, here I have Emene, I can search for postal code of Emene, Enugu State. It will pop up, okay? So let me add it here. Then state, I will tap there and select my state currently. Then after that, tap on this checkbox and tap on agree and create account. Then it said, do you want to allow PayPal to use Face ID? Okay, let's allow it. So here it says I should add a debit card. I will tap on skip for now. So that's it. So my username is now showing here. Create your username and I like what it chose. So it's fine. I'll tap on continue. So it says sync your contacts. No problem. Continue. I will tap on select contacts. So I can select just few. Then I'll tap on continue. Not now, please. Let's keep on going. Okay, so it says submit information to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you need to submit the information we have requested. So no problem. I will go ahead and tap here and then submit the information they need. So just submit these informations and then proceed. You can see what it's requesting here. It says upload a photo ID, okay? It can be voter's card, driver's license, international passport, or the plastic NIN. I'm going to upload that but right now it's night. So let me go to my email and verify my email first. Okay, so look at the email here. So I'll tap on it. Then I will say confirm my email. I'll tap on that. So email confirmed. It said to continue, confirm your number. No problem. I will tap on send code. They said we couldn't add your phone number. So maybe I got to change the phone number later. Okay. So all these things, you can complete them on your own. Okay. So for us to save time, we're going to proceed to Paga. So for us to install it and set it up as well. So first, you need to install the Paga mobile app on your Android or iPhone. Okay, so you get through the App Store or Play Store. So here I'm using iPhone, so I'll tap on App Store. Then as the App Store opens, tap inside the search and type Paga. Alright, tap on it on the list. You can see it has shown up. Tap on Get. So give it time for it to finish installing. Okay, it's requiring my face. Double tap on the button. Okay, double tap again. Alright, it has started installing. Okay, this is fast to install, so I will tap on open. So it says allow Paga to track your activities across other companies, apps and websites. Okay, ask app not to track. Let me select that option. Alright, so the next step now is to tap on sign up. Now here select your primary bank account. Alright, you can create other accounts once on board. So I'll tap on Nigeria NGN account. So here it requests my phone number, so I will type in the phone number here. So you type that. After that, tap on send code. So I will select SMS. So I'm waiting for the code to enter. Alright, it has entered. Alright, so then you say turn on push notification. So I will tap on that option and then I'll tap on allow. Alright, on this page it requests for my NIN. So it will request yours, so enter it and tap on verify NIN. So I'm going to do face verification. It may cut, but if it cuts, just follow the instruction. Okay, the next step is to tap on continue. So you say enter your email and password. So fill all this information, follow every instruction, and after that tap on continue. So on this page it wants you to enter the phone number that is linked to your NIN. The phone number is what it needs, not a different phone number. So enter it and tap on verify NIN. So once you enter that phone number correctly, it will pull your information that is on your NIN. Alright, some are hidden here. So the only thing is that you need to fill the address, a current address in the address section, which after that tap on looks good and proceed to the next stage. Okay, so on this new page, it will suggest some personal tags to you based on the information you filled, okay, in your name, but you can decide to create your own tag, okay, Paga tag, by tapping on this last option, create my own Paga tag. So I would like to go with that. Then I will create it and then I will tap on I like this one. So here are my details, though some parts may be hidden, but at the end I choose Godwin Tech 247. Alright, so I can tap on go to dashboard. Then look at the interface, it looks good. So I will tap on this X sign. Then it says welcome to Paga. Would you like a quick tour? I will explore on my own, so that's what I want to do. Okay, it says unable to connect your PayPal. I will tap on provide a BVN. So I'll insert my BVN here and I will tap on verify BVN. So follow the same steps. So here it wants me to type in the phone number that is linked to that BVN. I will type it in and tap on verify BVN. Once the verification is done successfully, you will be shown this video walking you through on how to link your PayPal with Paga account. Okay, Why this is good is because when people send money, you can use the Paga account to now do the conversion and send to your Nigerian account. Okay. So tap on the three lines or dots, anyone. Then select add account. And now select PayPal account. Okay, it says connect to global commerce with Paga and PayPal. I'll tap on connect PayPal. So here it dictates my PayPal email, which is the same thing as that of Paga. So I will insert the password and then tap on login. Okay, so once you log in, you'll be shown this information, receive personal information, full name, birth date, and the rest. So you can just read through everything. And after that, tap on agree and connect. And they say your PayPal account has been successfully connected. I'll tap on continue. So it says welcome to PayPal on Paga. Alright. Yes, show me around. I will explore my own place. So that is that. So you say just before you begin transacting. So on your own you can read through all these things here. Okay, any notification or anything they want you to do. But with this, you're good to go. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, okay? So that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video to learn how to create a Geegpay account, which gives you access to US account, UK account, and Euro accounts to receive payments from different countries. See you some other time.